These air conditioners are made in China and are sold exclusively through Best Buy, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. The NS-AC PWH1 models are available in 3 sizes and have a 7.5 EER efficiency rating. They have electronic controls with a temperature-sensing remote control for enhanced comfort as well as a 3-speed fan, but they only use basic washable filters which do not do much to clean the room's air. They use a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.